Well, it's quarter to four. I've been out here in the shop since 8 o'clock this morning. That's outrageous. And what I've been spending my time on, it doesn't show. So anyway, uh, the bad dad joke of the day. Bad dad jokes. Um, why does the cheese need glasses? Because it can't see that great. Okay. All right, put that aside. I came out here today with the intent of disassembling this master cylinder and maybe taking the master cylinder off up here and disassembling it so that they'd be nice and clean and ready when the parts arrive, which should be momentarily. And as you can see, I didn't get to either of those things, and yet I worked all day long. I did get the new muffler mounts installed, both sides, right and left, all the rubber mounts, so they're nicely shock absorbed now. Both of them. Isn't that nice? Ah, goodness gracious, what else did I do? I took these knobs off, cleaned these were missing, so I put two new one of those, cleaned the knobs and polished them. This side, the knob did have the spacers, so all I did was take it apart and clean it. We'll get back to this side in a minute. I installed the battery permanently. I made a hold down out of a large hose clamp. We'll call it a hose clamp. Actually, I have one right here. This goes completely around the battery and the battery box and holds it in just fine. Thank you very much. Really strong, really easy to undo, and inexpensive, and much better than any way of strapping it down that you can imagine. So anyway, quick and easy and really works well. I mean, this thing is in here like a rock. Like a rock! This is temporary. We haven't decided how we're going to hold the side cover on. They make an adapter. It's starting at $80, so we have to think on that. This is the new rectifier regulator. I took the Zener diodes out. I took the rectifier out of here. That's gone. And the Zener diode on the other side on the 75. 75 has two Zeners, one on each side, so they're out. And I put the ground wire back on. So the charging system is all installed. And I put a couple spare fuses up here, just in case you ever need them. I touched up the starter. I touched up the paint on the frame. I touched up the paint on these covers. They were black. I don't particularly, I wouldn't put them black, but what the heck, that's what they were. So I repainted them. And then just as the client came over to check on things to see how they were going, we spun the motor up and got sparkles. So we've got ignition working. I'm going to spin the front fender around probably tomorrow or the next day. We'll see. One of the two. I've been invited up to Kevin's to work on a T250 or T25 that he's got in his shop. And so since I'm now waiting on parts with nothing to do, I may go up there and help him with that bike. Let's fire it up and spin it up and see if we can see spark. Ignition is on, and I'm going to just spin the motor. I'm going to focus down here, and let's see if you can see the sparks. I can see them. Especially on this one, but I can see them on both. Okay, so we're going to put the new spark coils in as soon as they arrive. It'll help. And just been doing touch-up. So the bike is starting to come together. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. I don't think it's on an oncoming train. So there you go. That's where we are as of today. I'm going to go inside and I think I'll take my little puppy dog for a walk around the block. He wants to go out. So that's where we are. And I'll leave you to it. Bye-bye.